So good morning everyone. Today greeting of the day from Chandigarh University Academy Unit 1. In this session we will design a doorbell using push button. So for designing this, what are the apparatus required? So this is our circuit diagram. So in this circuit diagram we can see we are using 5 volt supply. Here we are using switch. Here we have resistance of 10 kilo ohm. This is our Arduino board, and here we are using speaker or buzzer. So with the help of this circuit diagram we will connect and we will check our buzzer is turning on or turning off. So in this section we will see the designing doorbell using push button. So now I am showing you the operators. So this is our breadboard. So in this breadboard we have some teeny holes. So as we know, these are our vertically shorted and these are horizontally shorted. So as we can see from the back side of breadboard, so these are our vertically shorted and these are horizontally shorted. Now with the help of this breadboard we will connect the circuit with our Arduino. Now next, this is our resistance. So now we have next component, resistance. So here this is our resistance. As we can see, this is our resistance of 10 kilo ohm. So we will connect with the help of wire this resistance. Next we are using the buzzer. So this is our buzzer, as we can see. So here we have two terminals. So these are two terminals. So this is your positive and this is your negative. So with the help of buzzer we can identify it is turning on or off. Now we are using the push button. So this is our push button. So when we press the push button, our buzzer will be on. So here this is button, we will push on and push off and check our buzzer is turning on or turning off. Now we are using the jumper wires. So here we are using the jumper wires. So with the help of jumper wires we will connect our circuit. So now first of all we are taking the switch. So now I am connecting the switch on our breadboard. So now I am connecting this switch. So here we have tiny holes. So we can place it on any hole. So here we have connected our switch. Now we can see the first terminal of switch is connected to the 5 volt supply of our breadboard. So now we will connect with the help of jumper wire. So now we are taking the same terminal of push button. So here first terminal has been connected and second terminal will be connected on the 5 volt of our Arduino board. So here we can see this is our 5 volt. So in number of 4 we can connect it. So we have given the supply 5 volt with the help of this breadboard. Now next we will use our resistance. So now again with the help of this we will connect on the same point of second terminal of push button. So we are connecting the resistance. So here we are connecting the resistance and second terminal will be connected on the other tiny holes of breadboard. So here we have connected the resistance. Now our next terminal will be connected to pin number 10. So here we are giving the input on pin number 10. So as per diagram, this is our become the common point. So I am connecting the first terminal of this breadboard and we will connect on the pin number 10 of Arduino board. So here we are connecting the pin number 10. So with the help of jumper wire we have connected the pin number 10. Now next we will connect our buzzer. So this is our buzzer. So here we can see this is our plus sign, that means it is plus and it is negative. So we are connecting our positive terminal on here and negative on here. So here we have connected our buzzer. Now with the help of jumper wire we will complete the circuit diagram. So now the positive buzzer is also connected the pin number 2 of our UNO board. So here we are taking the same terminal point of breadboard to the pin number 2. So here we are attaching pin number 2. So we have connected the positive terminal of our buzzer. Now the remaining grounded section we have to cover. So our resistance is also connected to the ground. So here we will connect the same wire. So as we can connect in the same manner, the same terminal has been connected on the grounded wire. So here we are making this is our grounded, and next this grounded will be connected to the ground of our UNO board. So here we can see, here we have grounded part. So here we can connect with the help of this wire. So I am making the grounded wire with the help of this, and we are making the ground. So here we have completed the circuit as per our circuit diagram. So this is our circuit diagram. We have connected the 5 volt switch, and this is our 5 volt supply, that is our switch, and that is resistance, and this is our Arduino board. We are giving the input on pin number 10, and we will check the output at pin number 2, and that is our buzzer. So when we push our switch, the buzzer will be turned on. So for in this session we will write the program. So now I am showing you the program of following demonstration of this lab, that we can see this is our word setup, and word setup we are giving the pin number 10. So on pin number 10 we have our input, and we are checking the output at pin number 2. So here we are making our word setup. Next we are making the while loop. In this while loop, here we are taking integer r is equal to digital read in bracket 10, because when we give the supply, so it will read the input at pin number 10. So when it is high, so what will be happen? Our output will be high. So here we are giving the pin number 2 at high, and we are using some delay. So I am taking the 100 millisecond delay, and when it will be turned on, so we will require it will be turned off. So we are giving digital write to low. So this is our whole programming for performing this experiment. Now we will push the button and check our buzzer is turning on or turning off. So now again we are going our circuit diagram. So now I am pushing our push button. So this is our push button. So we can see our buzzer is on turning on position. When we break the push button, it will be turned off. So that is the demonstration of our doorbell using push button. So thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you so much.